Hello and welcome to Governance Risk Management and Compliance video. This quiz is for you and it relates to the RCSA and key risk indicators. So hello and the quiz about the operational risk management is here in front of you. So my question to you is, do you know the difference between operational risk and operational risk management? If you are aware of the difference between the operational risk and operational risk management, then you must have heard about the terms RCSA and key risk indicators or KRIs. RCSA means risk and control self-assessment and KRIs means key risk indicators. So your quiz is to tell me what is the difference between RCSA and key risk indicators in the operational risk management. Think about both of these terms and you have to think about the purpose of both the terms, the RCSA and the KRIs, and these two terms are very important in the operational risk management function. If you are doing job in the risk management domain, then you must be aware of these two terms and their purpose, why the operational risk managers use RCSA and KRIs. You should be very clear about these two terms, and you have to comment below your answers. Your quiz will be checked by me and I will respond you and reply you as well in the comments. And if you will ask me to bring a new video to explain the RCSA and KRIs with examples, so I will definitely make a video for you on that. But initially you have to comment below your responses and answers. I will definitely reply to you. And if you have not subscribed this channel till now, please subscribe it, and it will motivate me to make more relevant videos for you in the governance, risk management and compliance domains. And your support is always valued, and I am very thankful to you for subscribing this channel. And those who have not subscribed, please do subscribe this channel, and that will be support. And thank you for watching. Let's discuss more concepts in another videos.